Well, Josh, after a bright start and going ahead, it wasn't the result you'd have hoped for in the end. How do you assess that one?
I think obviously coming into the game we knew that hitting them on the break would have been probably our best bet. Thought we'd done well for the first goal. But a team like that has so much experience in Europe, and if they've qualified a few times and played in these stages of the campaign, like it's a hard one to take. But again, they're an experienced side and a very good one at that.
Yeah, and it seemed like you all put in an incredible shift out there. It felt like hard work even watching it. You, of course, have played Shamrock Rovers several times before, unlike some of your teammates. So did you go into this one knowing what a challenge it was going to be?
Yeah, they've been a massive club. 10 years ago was probably the last time I've been here. And they've been huge since then. They've developed, they've got better. Obviously, like I say, the experience in the squad, they've done it, they've been there. But credit our boys. We did work hard. I think the rotations in the middle of the pitch in the second half, especially, they were finding gaps and they had a lot of possession, but we limited them a bit. The clear-cut chances, and just thinking another night if we take ours in the break, it could have been a better game.
And having gone ahead as well, then gone in a goal behind at half time, what was the message from the gaffer at the break?
I think just obviously do what we done at the start for the goal and try and be a bit better in possession, a bit braver. And we probably didn't show ourselves too much in the first half at times, and even in the second half I think we controlled it a bit more when we were breaking. But it's two goals that we probably shouldn't concede as well. Just individual errors and defensive errors, and it all accumulates to a goal, unfortunately. And another night, like Fiorentina, we've done so well, and Robbo was amazing there, and you get away. And I just think tonight it was just one of them ones where they took their chances well, and we didn't. And look, like you say, we've put in a massive shift, and that's something the boys can be proud of as well.
And there's another 3 games now, of course, 3 opportunities to make your mark and to progress. How do you keep the mood positive in that dressing room now?
I think first and foremost we're straight back into the league now, so on Sunday I think that's next game. It's one at a time. We need to start winning games again in the league and try and get up top of the league again. I think, look, the next 3 games are tough games as well. We know that. No one really expected to get any points in this. So I think just enjoying it and going in and not being afraid and trying to impose ourselves on the ball, especially, and being brave. I think at the end of the day we're here for a reason, and it's nice to be a part of this. But we know they're tough games.
Josh, appreciate your time. Diolch yn fawr.
Thank you very much.